In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete food on Myfitnesspal in 2025 with a step-by-step guide. Whether you're new to Myfitnesspal or a seasoned user, managing your food list effectively is essential for maintaining accurate tracking of your daily nutrition. Sometimes you might find the need to delete a food item from your records, whether it's an accidental addition or a food you no longer consume. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, let's start by heading to the MyFitnessPal website. Open your preferred web browser and simply type in myfitnesspal.com to navigate to their homepage. If you're doing this from a mobile device, make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during the process. Once you're on the website, you'll need to sign up or log in if you already have an account. This step is crucial because you must be logged into your own account to access and modify your food entries. If this is your first time, signing up is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to set up your account using your email or social media. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the Food tab. This section is where all the magic happens in tracking and managing your dietary intake. After clicking, you should see various options related to your meal records. Next, you'll want to select My Foods from the available options. This action takes you to a detailed list of all food entries you've either consumed or added to your profile. It's here that you can manage and edit these entries, ensuring your log reflects your current diet accurately. With the list of foods displayed, the task is now to locate the specific food you wish to delete. In your food list, go through the entries and find the one that no longer needs to be there. This might take a moment if you have a comprehensive list, so take your time. Once you've found the food in question, click on it. This click will lead you to a more detailed page about that specific food item, giving you options to edit or delete. The page is designed to ensure that you have all the necessary information before making any changes. Now focus on locating the delete button. It's usually prominently displayed on the food items page. Clicking this button will prompt a confirmation box asking if you're sure you want to proceed with the deletion. Confirm your decision, and the food will be permanently removed from your list. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a food entry on MyFitnessPal, keeping your dietary records current and accurate. Remember, maintaining your food list is vital for effective nutritional tracking, and now you have one more tool in your MyFitnessPal toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.